Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Salt Lending, a platform found at saltlending.com. Salt Lending distinguishes itself in the lending landscape by offering loans secured by Bitcoin and other crypto holdings. This allows crypto holders to access liquidity without selling their assets, a significant advantage in a volatile market. Borrowers can leverage their digital assets to secure loans for various purposes, potentially avoiding capital gains taxes that might be incurred if they were to sell their crypto to obtain traditional financing. The platform offers a range of loan terms and interest rates, providing flexibility to borrowers with diverse needs. It's worth exploring their specific offerings to see what aligns with your individual circumstances. Salt Lending emphasizes a streamlined application process, designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Of course, like any lending platform, the approval process involves certain criteria and considerations. Be sure to carefully review all the terms and conditions before proceeding with a loan application. Salt Lending recognizes the importance of security in the crypto space and implements measures to protect user assets and information. However, it's always wise to conduct your own research and due diligence to fully understand the platform's security protocols and assess any potential risks. The integration of crypto as collateral represents an innovative approach to lending, offering an alternative pathway for those seeking to access capital while retaining their digital asset holdings. While this model offers distinct advantages, it's essential to understand the complexities and potential implications of using volatile assets as security. Always borrow responsibly and within your means, factoring in the potential fluctuations in the value of your crypto collateral. Salt Lending provides a fascinating case study in the evolving intersection of finance and technology. Their model offers a compelling proposition for those seeking to leverage the value of their crypto investments.